Please be seated. Veuillez vous asseoir.
We are in open session, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, and witness, welcome back. Mrs. Steinberg, please continue.
Thank you, Your Honours. If I may just, before I continue, confirm one matter with the court officer in Nairobi. Madam Court Officer, can you please confirm that the version of the statement that you've given to the witness is redacted version 5, RO5?
Yes, Mr. Steinberg, I confirm that the witness has redacted version number 5 in front of him and during the break.
Thank you very much. And can you confirm that the witness had access to the statement over the lunch break?
The witness was provided with the redacted version number 5 of the statement during the lunch break.
Thank you very much. Now, Mr. Witness, I'd like to move on in your statement then to to page 0039, that's page 9 of the statement, from paragraph 46 to 48. The heading there is Meeting in Beshabo, and I'll read out the first few lines. The next meeting that took place in my area was in Beshabo on 20 November 2007. I remember that date because by then I was on my, and I'll not read out the next word, you can read that yourself. I have marked Beshabo on Annex 1. It is 2.5 kilometers from Turbo Center. You go on to say, towards the end of that paragraph, I did not go to this meeting because I thought it was going to be dangerous for me. The things I've read out to you, did you tell that to the investigators?
Ndio.
Answer, yes.
And is that correct, that what you told them? Was there such a meeting in Beshabo on the 20th of November?
Ilikuwa ukweli, kulikuwa na mkutano, lakini
Answer, it was true. There was a meeting, but I'm not sure about the date exactly.
Is it correct that you did not attend that meeting?
sikuhudhuria.
Answer, no, I did not take part in the meeting.
And is your statement correct when it states that the reason why you did not go to the meeting was because you thought it was going to be dangerous for you?
Ndio.
Answer, yes.
All right, come back to that. You also state in this paragraph that you heard that Mr. Ruto arrived by helicopter and you saw the helicopter yourself.
We are in open session, Mr. President.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honours. So, just to go back to the sentence I just read out, I won't read it out again. The sentence that goes, I think this meant that if we, and finishes with, we are Staines unwanted people. Is that correct, what you told the investigators? Is that what you thought it meant?
Nilisema hivyo lakini haikuwa hivyo.
Answer. That's what I said, but that's not correct.
All right. And then you continue with, it appears, the narrative of what was told to you about the meeting by person number 6. And you state, quote, some people were yelling out, asking whether if someone was found to not vote for the ODM, they should kill him. Ruto said that when the time reaches, he would tell the people what to do. Firstly, did you tell that to the investigators?
Ndivyo nilisema.
Answer. That is what I said.
And does that accurately reflect what person number 6 told you, or was it incorrect?
Hakuniambia hivyo.
Answer. They didn't say that to me.
So is that something you were told to add by persons number 1 and 3?
Huyu mtu namba 1 ndiye aliniambia.
Answer. Person number 1 was the one who told me to say that.
I see. Is there any reason why you did not tell the investigators that you yourself attended that meeting and heard those words?
Rudia swali tena. Haijaweka kwa njia sahihi.
Answer. Repeat your question, please. It hasn't been asked properly.
What is the reason that you did not tell the investigators that you attended the meeting personally and heard the words which you state in your statement?
Hayo maneno ni bado maneno ambaye huyu namba 3
Answer. Those are the words that number 3 reported to me and number 1. He said that they needed information having to do with meetings. We were supposed to say that Ruto had said such things.
Yes, I understand that. But what I want to know is why, if you're going to make up this story for the investigators, why do you tell them that this is something that was reported by other people and not tell them that this is something you heard personally at that meeting?
Kwanza mimi sikwenda kwa hiyo mkutano.
Answer. First of all, I did not attend that meeting. Secondly, some things that are said here, I heard about them from another person. Everything that I added later was just to make my statement reliable. That is why I said someone had told me about this. But the last remarks, I was the one who added them so that my account would be credible. So there were some things that I added myself.
All right, I'd like to move on then. Could I ask you to turn... I'm not going to deal with the day of the announcement of the election results. I'll move on to paragraph 56. I don't see that there's any difficulty. The turbo police post has been used in public session. There's nothing identifying there.
I'm not sure that that's the case. We are in open at the moment.
Let's go to private, have this discussion.
Yeah.